Okay, wherever you're following this live, we want to welcome all of you to beautiful Liberia YouTube channel. That is the number one YouTube channel that is meant to show you the beauty, art, and culture of Liberia. So currently, I'm at the Monrovia Vocational Training Center, MVDC for short, and I want to take you through the welding and fabrication department and show you exactly what Liberian can do, especially when it comes to manufacturing and production. And I will show you some of the incredible work that the students are doing in Liberia. And this is a special documentary video. All these production you see here, this is manual production, okay? So that will take you through so that we can see the various session and system that we are set together. Okay, so I'm super excited to talk to this our female welder, one of my good friend and sister. What's her name?
I'm Miss Grace K.
Wow.
Howe.
So Grace, how did it feel today to see, I mean, production that many people think that we will continue to import materials, uh, I mean, things that is very needed in Liberia in terms of chair, school chair, desk chair. What you actually feel when we see production that is taking place in Liberia?
Thank you. I feel fine,
Okay.
and I just want to encourage our people up there to tell them that we as a Liberian we can do better, we do more than
Oh,
this. So once you get a job, do not take it out to the foreigners. Come at MVDC, and we will provide the best you need.
wow. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much. So she's the only female welder among all of the men, and I'm super excited, to talk to her today. So we come to this special session, and that is one of the incredible sessions, marking and cutting. So we have special supervisor who is in charge of this session, and I would like to talk to him. What's your name?
My name is Vafle. I'm Dukley.
Okay, Pablo, what this session is meant for?
There is a technical session, marking and cutting.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay, so thank you for the
yeah,
job.
yeah.
And what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Lasana Slim.
Yeah, Lasana, what you make of this particular work? What are some of the skills you have learned so far?
Oh, I've learned splendid thing on this project now, like marking and cutting properly, and then how to level the wherever.
Oh, wow. That is incredible. Thank you so much, Vavle. Okay, so we will go to the next session quickly. We try to speak to this guy. What's your name?
I'm Prince Titus.
So what is this session for?
This is the present project, the one chair project
Wow.
at the MVDC campus.
Wow. So what you make of being part of the huge project?
Oh, I'm so proud to be part of this project because the next generation to come
Yeah,
will
the
sit on
growing.
this chair and I will have a need to make.
Wow, that is impact. When we talk about impact, that is impact. So there is another session. There is the assembly session, and we have two gentlemen who are responsible for this session. So what's your name?
School and George K. Johnson Jr.
Okay. So what is this session for?
The session actually for doing the setting of the chair,
Okay.
the legs, and the seat.
Wow. That is incredible. So after marking and cutting, you come to this session, you assemble. Let me ask the other student, what's your name?
Sifos M. Sati.
So Sivos, what you make of being part of this historical project?
I'm very excited because we are tired of importing things from us.
Yeah, yeah.
So we ourselves want to export. So by making this, it will make us proud to be part of this.
Wow, that is incredible. So I may quickly take you to this session quickly, and then from there I will take you to another session. So what's your name?
My name is Joseph Samuga.
Yeah, Joseph, what you make of being part of this project?
A project is good. Also, everything I'm made part of, I've been cutting the legs for the chair.
Yeah, so that is incredible. So quickly I will take you to the next session. Follow me. There are a lot of things we have to share with you. So as you can see, there is the manual project, right? Manual production and manufacturing. All these things were manufactured right here from the senior students at the Monrovia Vocational Training Center. These are the incredible work that students are doing here, and we are super excited. Let me take you to the next part. Okay, just follow me. Like I told you, I'm going to show you the next session, and this is the welding session. And as you can see, so we are here again to this another session. Everything you see here is done by our students. Alright, manual manufacturing. We don't need to import, chairs, especially chairs for public schools chairs that is mostly imported. So, and that is why we are doing this documentary to encourage people out there to support us. All what we need is the material and the support. That all we need from you guys out there. So, let me talk to this other student. What's your name?
Lassana Kone.
Lasana, what is this session for?
Here is this pattern was made for us to mold the decks.
Oh, okay, that is great. So, what do you make of being part of the historical project?
It's a great honor to be part of it. Yeah, I wish for more projects to be here so we can learn how to produce more stuff.
Yeah, so as he said, he want more projects to come. So we're doing the documentary. So please like, subscribe, and support the YouTube channel. We are here to show you all the happenings in Liberia, so that Liberian in the diaspora can be able to support us as well. I'm your humble servant Abraham Kobo. So you can check my information. You'll see my WhatsApp number there. Please make sure you check up. And let me show you the next session quickly. Okay, so okay, what is this session for?
Well, this is the table section. This is where we put the table together.
Okay, so what's your name?
I'm Abu Kabe.
Incredible. What do you make of being part of the historical project?
Well, it's very much important to me, and I feel motivating. So the reason why I'm part of this.
And what's the encouragement out there to students that will sit this year, in the next 50 years, in the next 60 years?
Well, I'm proud of myself being part of this team, producing this year, and I want them to benefit from this project too. That's why.
So all the students that will be watching this video in the next 50 years, please know the sacrifices these guys are making. Some of them are being burned, some of them are being caught, some of them are experiencing electrical shock just because of you, not because of money, but because of you. So please, let me come to this. What's your name?
I'm Mohammed Fofana from MVDC, Monrovia Vocational Training Center.
So what is this session for again?
This session is for the one child, one chair. This is where we are preparing the decks for the chair out there which our colleagues are facing. Exactly. Well, I would like to show you some of them. We are already prepared.
Okay, yeah, we would love to see. So that is not just the chair alone, but it came along with decks. So please support young librarians. All we need is your support, okay? And we are willing to do mass production to supply public and private schools. So if you are out there thinking about how to get a chair, please contact us and make sure and reach out to us. There are so many things that we can do. Even in those imported chairs, we can also produce in here. So Mohammed want to show us exactly the deck here. Yeah, so
Here are the one child, one chair. Here are the desks for those chairs out there. And we want to encourage other people that may see interest in some of this chair, and then contact us for to give you same quality of this. And then we want to encourage the student who will be utilizing this material to take care of it in the next 10 years. At least it will help them. And more precisely, our chairs we're looking at today, maybe in time to come, the chair might produce president, representative, and other government officials. So we are proud to do this. At least it will keep students motivated. You know, doing a fabricational work is a very innovative work. So you do a measurement accuracy. So we are glad to do this work for the government of Liberia.
and this is the impact project, right? This is a legacy project. Metal can stay for so many years as well than wood. So the wood is coming at the top, and then the metal will be serving as a frame. So this is an incredible work. So what you make of being part of this particular project? What was your motivation? Even though we don't have like maybe the sufficient money is not this particular project, but what motivated you?
Yeah, actually, we are not doing this for money business, but we are doing this thing for recognition. I think tomorrow, the benefits will come tomorrow. Sometimes you have to sacrifice, sometimes at the end, you have to benefit something at the end. And this year we are facing, we are not going to live in the digs. We have the capital guys that are preparing the top part and the front part where wood will comes. And also here we will come here to block it in a furniture in a beautiful way that when you see it you feel like I'm abroad. We do quality work. Thank
That
you.
is incredible. Nice meeting you. Okay, so for those of you who are just second, we are not in Europe, we are in Africa, we are in specifically in Liberia. And people that are thinking that, oh, anything cannot come, especially from Africa, especially Liberia, Liberia have resolved never to go back to conflict, and we are on the right trajectory to development and industrialization. So if you are interested in production, because these are the key things that we need as Liberians. We need to be industrialized nation, so to export things to other nations that will be able to benefit. And in that light, that is how we can be able to gain more revenue and income and to have a better, stable nation. So if you are out there thinking about supporting, kindly inbox me and we will be able to help and you can be able to send in your supply as well. Until then, we see you again. Bye.